Good morning, welcome back to a brand new video. So I hope everyone enjoyed the big switch on. If you did go down, hope you had a fantastic time, and also if you've seen it on YouTube or any other media. So today we're gonna have a bit of a walk in town because the R&L Lifeboat event is happening today. So let's go and have a bit of a walk and see what's going on. So we're just approaching where it was an absolute rammed, packed out event last night for the switching of the Illuminations 2024, and literally you couldn't move. There's literally like sardines. There was that many people, but it was a fantastic atmosphere. Mel B, and she switched the lights on. Many other fantastic songs were played. So yeah, this is the state of play. Present, you see they're already dismantling some of the stage. And, what a fantastic event it was. And as quick as they put it up, it's coming down even quicker. And you see it's a huge, great stage. You see the cranes and all sorts. I mean, that's a large section possibly of the roof, what's coming off. So this time tonight, this probably will be completely gone. So why not grab your buckets and spades today with this weather and head on down to Blackpool. It's certainly an absolutely lovely day. So you can see the R&LI, got all the little stalls out. And, what a great one this is. So there's always something going on in Blackpool. Like I said, I've had fantastic events of recent times, and this one was sadly postponed due to the weather. But what a day today. You can see they've got all the lifeboats out. Absolutely amazing display. And you see even they've got Mr. Whippy out. That's it's always people's favourite. They used to come around the streets, those Mr. Whippers. I do hear the odd sirens, if you want to call them out, the bells coming around the streets, but they used to be a more of a regular thing. And this is just some of the equipment they use. So this is just some of the things they use on the rescue missions. See the beach is nice. There's always this little spot, like I mentioned many times. You always grab this little spot, and it's always the last to become underwater. And then we got the little buggy, little beach patrol buggy. So what a great little event that is, the R&LI lifeboats. And if you do fancy sponsoring them, I'll pop the link down in the description. It is until 5 p.m. and it is for a fantastic cause. So yeah, if you can spare £1 or two, go and sponsor them. Like I said, everything will be in the description. So we're gonna have a bit of a walk on and just see what else is happening on this really fantastic day. You can see we've even got the jet skis out today, just zipping along the water. And we got the world famous Robert's Oyster Bar, and it's just near the Bloom Bar near North Pier. So if you haven't tried this one out, go and give it a try. So it's not really for me. I don't do sort of oysters and cockles and mussels and all that. However, it looks like they got a fantastic selection in the window. And look at this one. Like I said, Roberts, Chester, world famous. And we'll have a quick look. I can see all the goodies. Look at that one. So yeah, go and try it out. So we're just gonna have a bit of a trip. It's more towards the South Pier. So don't normally sort of venture that far. So yeah, we're gonna have a bit of a trip to South Pier. You can see it's really getting busy at midday. So yeah, let's head on a bit further and let's get to South Pier. So we just arrived at the South Pier, and there's plenty going on, shall I say, this neck of the woods. And so it's not just North Pier and Central Pier. There's also plenty going on towards the pleasure beach. You can see the shouting the bingo numbers out, and we got all the little stalls. And, always great place, Blackpool. Like I said, there's so much going on, and if you're into your rock, plenty of selections. And looks like we've got an ambulance on call. See the lights are flashing away. And if you haven't been up this way, there's also the Grosvenor Casino, and they've got a fantastic restaurant and bar. So if you want to treat yourself, or it's that special occasion, you can always head towards the Grosvenor Casino. And of course we've got the Sandcastle Water Park, and just straight ahead the Blackpool Pleasure Beach. Fantastic one. It's the Velvet Coaster, and it's a Weatherspoon. You see there's 3 floors in this, the first, second, and right at the top there's another floor. And what an amazing place, just have that drink and look over at the sea. Great place. You see they're all pedaling away to get it going. And how about this one, a open top bus, and it's actually converted into a bar. So it's just near the Royal Carlton Hotel. So if you fancy a bit of a drink, there's a play area for the kids as well. And come on down to this one. It's a totally unique experience. So it's just near the Royal Carlton in Blackpool, and they're based here. So that is the end of the video. So I do hope you liked the bit of a walk around in that unique bus. If you haven't tried that one, pop over. That's certainly a unique one. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you did like this video and other content, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It does mean a lot. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.